Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create product shadow with vector mask. Import your product photo into Photoshop, then duplicate the product layer for backup. On the top layer, add a vector mask, draw a soft ellipse under the product base, fill it with black using a soft brush. Lower the opacity to make a shadow not duplicate and stretch the shadow slightly. Use transform tool to align perspective. The vector mask keeps the edges clean. Add blur for realistic blending. This gives perfect soft floor reflections. Combine this with gradient background. Use highlights to enhance the